What is up, everyone? jrafaelaflores here, and for today, this is gonna be my first ever unboxing video. But before we start, I just wanna say how cool is this shirt? Like, look at that. 24 FPS man by Sir Dunil. Baka lang naman. So for this episode, this is gonna be real quick. This is gonna be my first ever unboxing video. If napapansin nyo, is expose yung mic. I did this on purpose so we can compare the performance of this LensGo Lym-Dmm2. Because since then, I've been receiving some comments na yung audio ko is medyo alanganin and everything. And then I'm trying to improve it bit by bit. And I think this one is really, from what I've heard, from what Sir Dunil said, the referral, thank you. Tapos yun nga, sulit na sulit siya because it is not that pricey at all. So yeah, let's just go ahead and unbox this LensGo Lym-Dmm2. Ang haba kasi, so I have to, you know, just don't. Oh, before I forget, before we proceed to the unboxing, I just wanna run through some little specs of this LensGo Lym-Dmm2. This is a super and hyper cardioid polar pattern microphone. Nangahaba nun ha. To be honest, I don't know what does that mean. Basta I think cardioid is a directional mic. San tatama yung boses mo or yung bibig mo? That's the best part of, you know, kung san ka sasalita, or I don't really know. So if you want some in-depth review, or maybe if you're looking for some reasons na bibili talaga neto, I'm just gonna put the link down below. Yung mga reviews ng mga idol ko is just down there. Just click that one. This is just gonna be an unboxing and then itetest natin and compare it with the Boya by-mm1. Let's proceed to the unboxing. Ang dami ko nang sinabi, no? Sabi ko kanina, proceed to the unboxing. Let's go. So here you go. Here's the box. And we're just gonna unbox this real quick. May pa-cutter pa. I'm trying to do this voiceover not so boring. Pero if my voice is boring, that's not my fault. Let's open the box, and I think there's not much inside except for this one. You're gonna see it here. There, that's the context or the content of the box. First, you have the manual, of course. I mean, hindi naman talaga mawawala yung manual. And you have the TRS cable that goes straight from the mic to your camera. The next one is the camera to your phone. That's a TRS cable. And you have a pouch. This is really nice for LensGo for giving us for giving us a pouch. And here you go is the mic itself. It is really sturdy. It is made of metal. Good looking except for the shock mount. Medyo cheap siya. But here, I'm trying to remove it, pero I didn't know how. So yeah, next frame na lang. So there, natanggal ko na. And this build is really nice. Para solid na solid siya. It's pure metal, and I hope this is gonna sound really good. So yeah, let's just go ahead and test this out. Okay, there you go. So now, tapos na tayong mag-unbox, and then now what you're hearing is the audio coming from the LensGo Lym-Dmm2. So please let me know what you think on the comment sections below. Kung anong mas maganda, si Boya by-mm1 or eto. I haven't heard it yet. I haven't heard the output yet, pero maybe now I'm editing it, so I think I'll be the judge. I'll pin the comment kung anong mas maganda para sa akin personally. Take note, I forgot to mention na kinabit ko to with an extension cable directly to my Tascam to do the recording para mas ko na lang sa audio mamaya, because I think having a recorder will really improve your audio quality versus just plug it in directly to your camera. For this one, there's no big deal if you're gonna plug it straight out of the camera, kasi this is like a perfect run and go microphone and whatnot. There's no phantom power or battery needed. Just plug it right away and then you're good to go. So yun nga, I'm not gonna do a detailed review of this one because I'm not an expert when it comes to audio. I just had to do a content like this because gusto ko matry yung mag-unbox and then review some gears, if I may say. So now that we're done, we're at the end of the video now. If you're still there, you're lucky because I did not announce this in the beginning of the video. So sorry na lang sa hindi tumapos ng video. And now I have this LensGo Lym-Dmm2. I'm gonna give this away. I lost the box, pero may pouch pa siya and then extra cable for your phone and whatnot. The mechanics would be really simple. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment which is better, Boya by-mm1 or the LensGo Lym-Dmm2, and share this on Facebook and use the hashtag jFlores Road to 200. Kasi malapit na tayo mag 200 subs, guys, organically. I think that is it for today. Never forget to subscribe because I need some subscribers. And again, the mechanics for this I will just put in the description box para hindi kayo malito. That is it again. Wala na ba akong masasabi? I think that's it. God bless. Stay safe. Peace.